With the box zeroed out, and by deleting your charcoal canister, also called your EVAP canister, and all the components that go with it, you save yourself approximately 1 pound, 4.1 ounces, if my scale is correct. To remove your charcoal canister, it's held together at 2 points by 3 bolts. The first is up here. This is a 10 millimeter. And the other 2 are down here, which are 8 millimeters. This was the bracket, which was on the hose that utilized the 10 millimeter. And this bracket was the one that utilized the 8 millimeters. Unfortunately, I don't have footage of me disconnecting the hoses from the bottom of the gas tank and the bottom of the throttle body. However, I do have a video of me getting to my spark plugs, which you need to lift the tank up to get to. If you'd like to follow the instructions on how to get to that point, you can then get to the hoses necessary to disconnect them here. I will also provide a link in the description to a form that details each step of the way on how to properly disconnect your charcoal canister.